We're gonna do an experiment called elephant toothpaste. So what you'll need is a large soda bottle, some hydrogen peroxide, some dish soap, food coloring, some warm water, and a little bit of yeast. You pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into a soda bottle and just make sure that an adult does that part because hydrogen peroxide, the kids should not be touching that. So I poured it in a little Pyrex cup with a spouted lid, so I just poured it right in the bottle. And then you pour in about a quarter cup of dish soap and some food coloring. In a separate container, mix 3 tablespoons warm water and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Then you give that about 5 minutes to allow the yeast to activate, and then you pour that mixture in the soda bottle and you stand back.
Dinosaurs?
Whoa!
It's a volcano!
It's blue like toothpaste. Look, it even has the stripes. Cool. I just used blue food coloring and yeast.
Can I touch it?
No, not yet. Listen. I used blue food coloring, yeast, and hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, in an empty bottle. And it's going to blow away. You want to touch it?
Uh-huh.
And that's it. Remember, do this outside or on a tray. And there is the aftermath.
Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.